How to make money at 16. 7 ways for teens. Are you 16 years old? Are you starting high school and still figuring out where to go to college? Are you ready to start making money? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are probably looking for some ideas to earn money while still in school. Whether you're fresh out of high school or already running a business from home, you can benefit from the experience of other teenagers who have already been there and done it. The following are 7 different ways that you can make money when you're in high school or college. While your parents are counting the minutes until you finish high school, you'll probably be wondering at a job you hate. That is, unless you have been preparing for this moment your whole life by learning all you can about entrepreneurship. Also, this video is not a guide on how to become a millionaire by the age of 16. Instead, it's a look into how you make money doing what you love. It will teach you how to make money as a teenager by using your strengths. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Number 1 is become a ticket collector at movie theater. When I was a teenager, I used to go to a movie theater every week. As my parents were busy and I was still a teenager, I would sneak in and watch movies. As a result of this sneaking, I managed to start as a ticket collector at one of my favorite theaters. I always knew which movies were coming in, and after every show, I went to my friend and tell them about the new shows. I was lucky, but I'm sure there are kids who can also start such a great job. If you are a kid who is interested in movies, think to work in a cinema job. Number 2, work at a car wash. Secondly, I have always been fascinated by car washes. I'm fascinated by the mechanics of how something as seemingly simple as cleaning a car can have such a huge impact on someone's day. Car washes are a great source of income for teens. These jobs are very easy and the pay is pretty good. There are different ways to do a car wash. I think that if you want to earn and learn to car wash, you need to start by learning how to clean a windshield. After that, you need to learn how to wash windows and then how to wax them. But there are many different methods to do all these things. Once you have become a pro, you can start your own washing station and expand your business and start doing other things such as washing trucks and even washing SUVs and limousines. Number 3 is do stocking at a grocery store. Have you ever been to a grocery store, gone to the production section and seen a bunch of grape and other products, meanwhile wondering if you bought them, you could eat them all the next day? That's stocking. It's a work opportunity for you. There's no better experience than working at a shopping store. You'll learn the business processes over the course of the week or month. The job is to stock items in your store, as it creates a psychological feeling of abundance that makes customers more likely to buy. Number 4, rent books you already read. Don't feel bad if you have never read a book before. Renting is a great way to lend a book and earn from it. Renting books has grown into a huge industry in the UK, making it a growing segment of the book market. With sites like Oyster, Booksy, and Amazon Kindle owners and lending library, you can rent any book in print and you can borrow up to 100 titles. So, if you're looking for a great new read, take your mind off your troubles, try renting a book you already read. Number 5, work at a flower shop. Do you love flowers? Then you can become a flower designer. If you are a teen or just starting college, it's a great career choice. Many parents gave me the opportunity to work at a flower shop as a teenager, but you would have to work there full time for specific months. It can be a tough decision for you. All you need to know is how flowers can be cut and arranged into many different shapes and styles, but you also must keep in mind the beauty of the flower itself. Number 6, decorate car with stickers. I'm a huge fan of stickers. I love the fact that stickers are a very democratic form of art and there are no rules. You don't have to be a professional artist to create something amazing. You just need a few materials. Car decor is a huge part of being a teen. You can go all out with stickers, decals, and customizations. Of course, there are limits. You don't want to make your car too loud, flashy, or obnoxious. You'll definitely get the attention you don't want if you have a Ferrari, but you can still be creative. You can paint the windows, add decals, or even just decorate the hood. As you get to know, you can decorate cars easily. Get out there and provide the service to the car owners. Number 7, do hosting at a local event. Hosting at a local event is a great way to get your foot in the door with a company that you admire. The key is to make sure you have a good pitch. If you don't have something interesting to say, you will have a hard time convincing people to host with you. Once you get a chance to talk to someone, you need to be confident in your ability to host a successful event. I don't have any experience hosting parties, but I have attended many. I think hosting a party is a great way to meet new people and connect with others. You can also have fun while making some money. For example, if you host a party at your neighbor's house, you can earn $10 per event. If you decide to host at a local mall, you can charge $30 to $50 per event. Conclusion. In conclusion, the best thing you can do is take advantage of your time and learn from those who are already successful in your chosen field. You can start by reading their blogs, listening to their podcasts, and watching videos on your channel. You can also take advantage of many resources available online. There are so many people willing to help you succeed, and they all have their own unique ideas on how to do it. That's all for today, folks.